This DGG 60% wired gaming keyboard with pudding keycaps and translucent design is built for users who want a compact setup without sacrificing performance or visual appeal. The 60% layout removes the function row, navigation cluster, and numpad, keeping the keyboard extremely space-efficient while still maintaining full usability through layered function commands. It is especially suitable for gamers or creators who prefer a clean desk setup and more room for mouse movement. One of the most eye-catching features is the pudding-style keycaps. These are designed to let RGB lighting shine through both the top legends and the sides of the keys, creating a vibrant glow effect that stands out strongly in dark environments. The translucent structure enhances the lighting diffusion, making the keyboard look more dynamic and immersive compared to standard keycap designs. It adds a visual personality that feels especially appealing for gaming setups focused on aesthetics. In terms of performance, the wired connection ensures a stable and consistent response with no noticeable input delay. This makes it reliable for competitive gaming, where timing and precision matter. The compact layout may take some time to get used to, especially for users coming from full-size keyboards, but once adapted, it significantly improves hand efficiency and reduces unnecessary movement. Key functions remain easily accessible through combination inputs, which quickly becomes second nature with regular use. The typing experience is balanced and comfortable, offering a decent level of tactile feedback suitable for both gaming and everyday typing tasks. The key spacing feels well optimized, helping reduce accidental presses during fast gameplay. Build quality feels solid for a compact keyboard in this category, with a lightweight but durable frame that is easy to carry or reposition as needed. RGB lighting control adds further customization, allowing users to switch between various lighting modes and brightness levels. Combined with the pudding keycaps, the lighting effects appear more layered and premium, giving the keyboard a more high-end gaming aesthetic even in a budget-friendly segment. It performs well as both a functional input device and a visual centerpiece for a gaming desk setup. Overall, this keyboard stands out as a strong choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a compact, visually striking, and responsive wired gaming keyboard that balances style, space-saving design, and reliable everyday performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.